Kaden, your animal is a rooster. Joe, what the?
I did. I was trying to keep myself.
Jonah, you have a walrus.
A walrus.
What the? You really heard the sound.
I don't think I like that.
Naya, you have a goat.
You said a goat?
Yes, a goat.
Okay, I got it.
Bad. Ew. Joe.
You did have the money.
That wasn't bad. Kaden, your animal is a sheep. What the?
I don't think I like that. I don't think I like that shit.
Oh my gosh, what? Bro.
I don't like that shit.
Joe, your animal is a sea lion.
Sea lion.
Good job holding your water. Don't start. Don't art.
I was thinking that was but I
He's trying to scare you. Trying to. Now due to Tyrannosaurus Rex. What the? Run. Run. Thank you. Thank you so much. Kaden, your animal is a snake. What the? What is? Something wrong with that snake.
Sound like a snake in kindergarten trying to pronounce its S's.